Mass movement is the movement of material downhill due to the influence of gravity. In this answer I will describe and explain the occurrence of landslides, a fast type of mass movement process. Landslides occur when loose rocks, soil or sediments known as regolith suddenly move downhill. Landslides happen on steep slopes of 45 degrees or more. The steeper the slopes, the faster the landslide will be. Like many mass movements, landslides can be caused or triggered by natural and human events. Landslides can occur in many places under certain conditions described below. They are common in Brazil, Indonesia, Venezuela and Brazil and Japan. A natural cause of landslides is often freeze-thaw action on steep mountain slopes, which weaken the rock on mountain tops and cause them to fall a scree. This triggers a landslide as they roll downhill. Heavy rainfall or snowfall and earthquakes can also cause landslides. Torrential rain during storms and hurricanes makes the regolith wet and heavy. Eventually it becomes so saturated and slippy that the land surface slides down under its own weight. This type of landslide is very common in mountainous tropical countries such as Venezuela. Countries such as Haiti, which lies in the path of hurricanes, regularly experience landslides because the ground becomes saturated by heavy rainfall during hurricanes. Earthquakes also cause landslides. As the land is shaken, loose rock and soil falls downhill. In China in 2008, a major earthquake caused thousands of landslides. A major river was blocked with landslide debris, and this led to the formation of a quake lake, which threatened to burst through the landslide debris and affect 1.3 million people. The landslide blockage was eventually cleared by blasting the rock debris away and slowly draining the lake. Human activity can also cause landslides. The most common human cause of landslide is deforestation on mountainous land and road building on steep ground. Plant roots anchor the soil, which prevents mass movement. Branches provide natural protection for soil from rain and wind. When deforestation happens, the bare soil is exposed to the wind and rain and easily slides downhill to steep slopes. In places like Brazil and Madagascar, large-scale deforestation for timber has led to the increase in the amount of landslides occurring. Landslides are a major problem in Japan, a densely populated mountainous country with frequent earthquakes. Road and railway building across steep ground in Japan weakens the slopes and triggers landslides, which destroys large sections of routeways and damages settlement. The road and rail route also weakens slopes during an earthquake. The Japanese have invested in landslide prediction, mapping and prevention technologies. These include strain meters and laser measuring of land to map where the land surface is slowly beginning to move. People are warned and evacuated if the landslide is seemingly likely. Engineers also strengthen slopes below routeways by building supporting walls as well as draining water from hillsides. This reduces the weight of the regolith and therefore also its ability to slide.